Welcome to the second lesson of our Cha-Cha course for beginners. In today's lesson, we're gonna be working on an amazing step. We call it underarm turn. So gentlemen, I'll be demonstrating the man's part. Follow up with me. The good news, gentlemen, that you don't have to worry about any turns or anything like that. That would be the ladies' part. So all what you need to do now is basically do your basic step. So I'm gonna review quickly your basic. It goes 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1. Easy? And now all what you need to do is imagine your dance partner is right here in front of you and you're both doing the basic, and we go 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. And from this part, when you're going side, you want to raise your left hand up, telling your lady that she needs to turn. So it goes cha-cha-cha. And then you continue with your basic while she's turning, and then she goes back to face you. And now let's try it from this angle. You go 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, up, up, up. She turns around and cha-cha, 1. Now gentlemen, make sure that your signal is clear enough for your lady so she'll be able to turn. And now let's go ahead and see what's the lady's part looks like.
Now ladies and followers, let's see how your part looks like. So let's see how we can do our basic turn. The name of the turn is basically walk around. We're just simply walking around. We're gonna start with doing our cha-cha to the side. Cha-cha, 1. My weight is on my right leg. Now I'm gonna do walk around turn. Out, in, continue basic step. I'm gonna show from different perspective. And one more time, we're doing just the cha-cha with the right. Cha-cha, 1. Our weight is on the right leg. Left is free. I'm stepping out. Left, right, cha-cha-cha. Make sure that you fully change weight. What that means, anytime I'm dancing cha-cha or any other dance, I'm never in between the legs. I'm not gonna be on both legs. I'm gonna be either on the right or on the left. Now we're gonna try everything from the beginning one more time. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha, walk around, cha-cha, 1. I hope that was a simple explanation. Now let's see how we can do that with a partner.
Now we'll be trying the underarm turn together. So we'll do the basic step first and goes 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1. She turns around and cha-cha, 1. And now let's try it from this angle, and it goes basic 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1. Turn around and cha-cha, 1. Now gentlemen, you have to give a signal for the lady through your left hand. However, what's going on with the right hand? All what we need to do is to release his hand so she will have enough space to do the turn. She goes 1, 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1. I give her signal and I release my hand at the same time. Cha-cha, 1, and then I go back to her one more time. I release and then I bring her back one more time and cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. And the second part, what you need to pay attention to, gentlemen, when you actually give her the signal for her to turn, you go cha-cha, 1. Make sure the palm is open so you don't grab her or force her to turn. She knows that she needs to turn, so what you need to do is just keep connecting with her and she does the turn while you're doing your rock step and cha-cha-cha.
Ladies, the same rule applies to you. Make sure that you don't grab your partner, just keep your palm open, keep the connection so while you turn is very comfortable and you're not gonna get stuck over there. And the second very important part is that when you finish your turn, make sure that you're gonna have an eye contact with your partner, which means I'm gonna do my cha-cha basic and underarm, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. I'm again back with my partner.
And now let's try the basic step and the underarm turn, but this time with the music. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed and you learned something new today.
Now get up and practice your underarm turn. And before you move to the next video, please like, subscribe and share this video if you think was beneficial for you.
And we hope to see you in the next video.